I remember discovering clinician mode. Okay, let me go ahead and just check this out, see if this would be usable.
I clicked it and what I realized is, oh my God, like you're basically getting a full picture of what you need to do.
I was like, what have I been doing? This is perfect. This is what I've been looking for on shift. Once I discovered that, AMBOSS was really the only resource I've been using on shift. AMBOSS is a best friend. It is like a mentor. It's like an attending that you can always ask that never gets bothered.
It's a very streamlined tool. If I put in something simple like a UTI, I will get flow sheets that tell me kind of like the breakdown of how I should work up a UTI. Certain calculators that I can use to make clinical decisions. AMBOSS helps me save a lot of time in a lot of different ways. The emergency room usually calls me an internal medicine doctor to admit a patient. I build a problem list, and based on that problem list, I write differentials that I think are going on. AMBOSS is super easy. It has a distinct tab, usually on every single problem, of differentials that you can think about. And I have within a second things that I need to ask the patient and different differentials that I need to consider when I'm admitting this patient.
Shortness of breath, it's a very broad complaint. I typically think of, say, a pneumonia or a heart failure, but it's important to me that I don't prematurely close out other potential diagnoses, for instance, the more rare ones. And so with AMBOSS, if I go to the differential diagnosis section, for the most part, it's gonna help me think of those ones that may not come to mind initially. And it's going to help me realize what are the steps that I need to take to feel more confident in ruling out that one condition or that one condition. And where does this fall based on this unique patient's presentation and their history?
In the emergency department, I'm carrying between 12 to 15 patients every 8-hour shift. So I have to be able to work up patients very quickly and keep track of these patients and their workups as I go. The acute management checklist is by far my favorite feature in all of AMBOSS, because I can just go to that window, go to that section, and then just go down the list, and it helps me work up patients exactly what I need to do in order as I do it. And so that when I get to the end, I know a disposition is likely, whether they're gonna be discharged or they're going to be admitted, and it helps me become way more efficient.
Being a pediatric resident is quite different from any of the other specialties that are primarily focused on adults, just because small humans come in many different varieties and flavors of small humans. And so you might have a patient who's just a neonate versus all the way up through 17 or 18 years old, and the management is gonna look quite different, particularly when it comes to drug dosing. Typically you're gonna dose on a milligram per kilogram basis, the younger they are, and having AMBOSS specify exactly what that kind of unit would be for me is very helpful. The other consideration is that there are many conditions that only really present in children. And so AMBOSS has specific sections that are dedicated to those conditions in children, such as a brief result unexplained event or a fever in a neonate, for example. And that has a very unique protocolized kind of strategy to management.
So one of the key differentiators of AMBOSS over every other resource is the speed at to which you get information. The way the information is distilled for easy digestion. For all the emergency medicine physicians out there, if you're not using AMBOSS, you're slowing yourself down.
Knowing everything is impossible. Things are coming out every single day. New studies, we're discovering new things about the human body. And I use technology to supplement myself, not to replace myself.
I feel very confident about the content that I get on AMBOSS. We just learned about acute otitis media in pediatric patients and the new treatment algorithms for that. And I was like, okay, I wonder if this is on AMBOSS. And sure enough, it was on my next shift. I was like, wow, they are really keep with the information, constantly updating the algorithms and the guidelines and treatments. That's what impresses me most. That just solidified my trust in AMBOSS as a platform. One of my co-residents actually asked me that, how do you get all the information so fast? And I showed him the AMBOSS window and hey, this is what I use on shift every time. Here's your diagnostics, here's your treatment with dosing, here's your acute management checklist. And you just run through these lists and just check these boxes, you're gonna get to where you need to be very quickly. I get reviews all the time from all of my attendings, all my faculty reviews, and they're just very impressed with how fast I work up diagnoses. And because I can work up my patients quickly, it gives me time to focus more on the patient themselves patient interactions, staff interactions. I will have great relationships with my nurses and the other team because I don't have to be stuck in a room thinking like, how do I work this up? How do I work this up? Spend minutes upon minutes trying to look through different ways to work with a patient. My information is right there and lets me focus on the things that matter most, which is patient relationships. My goal is to be the best emergency physician that I can possibly be. When I initially started residency, just learning how the clinical features look, just looking at the diagnostics and what I need to do, AMBOSS was there for me. And then as they said, oh, you want to start learning how to work up patients now, you're going to start learning about treatment, dosing, and algorithms later. Now I go to the treatment part and the algorithm, the acute management checklist. And so as I continue to grow as an ED physician, AMBOSS, every section is helping me get there.
I feel that AMBOSS is something that kind of learns and grows with you. It's very responsive, it evolves over time, and it's something that I can put my own feedback and my own spin on because inevitably medicine is practiced slightly differently in every different location and by every different clinician. There's inherent mentoring built into it because many of the employees at AMBOSS are practicing clinicians who used to be residents and can speak to how they've used it along their journey and what it has meant for them. But it also brings you closer to the human mentors who made that platform, and that's the really exciting piece for me.
This software is so good, I'll be using it for as long as I'm an emergency medicine physician.